Hey there! Cloves, those tiny aromatic buds, have been cherished for centuries not just for their flavor, but also for their remarkable medicinal properties. And you know what? By simply adding a few cloves to your daily water intake, you can unlock a treasure trove of wellness advantages. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of clove water. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Let's start with one of the most impressive benefits of clove water: its ability to reduce inflammation. Cloves are packed with a compound called eugenol, which is renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. By sipping on clove water regularly, you can help lower your body's inflammatory response, which can be a game changer for those dealing with conditions like arthritis or joint pain. Number 2. Antioxidant powerhouse. Speaking of antioxidants, clove water is absolutely brimming with them. These tiny buds are loaded with compounds that act as natural antioxidants, helping to combat the damaging effects of free radicals in your body. Free radicals, as you may know, are unstable molecules that can contribute to the development of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and even premature aging. By drinking clove water regularly, you're giving your body a boost of antioxidants that can neutralize these harmful free radicals and protect your cells from oxidative stress. Number 3. Improved liver health. Now, let's talk about something that's often overlooked: liver health. Your liver is a hardworking organ that plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body and metabolizing nutrients. And guess what? Clove water can be a great ally in keeping your liver in tip-top shape. Thanks to the mighty eugenol compound found in cloves, clove water can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in your liver. Additionally, the antioxidants in cloves may even help prevent liver diseases by mitigating the damaging effects of free radicals. Imagine having a happy, healthy liver that can efficiently perform its vital functions. Clove water can be your secret weapon in supporting this essential organ. Number 4. Blood sugar regulation. For those of you keeping a watchful eye on your blood sugar levels, clove water has some fantastic news in store. Cloves have been shown to have a beneficial effect on regulating blood sugar, making them an excellent addition to the diet of diabetic individuals. The eugenol compound found in cloves can help lower glucose levels and promote insulin production, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. By incorporating clove water into your routine, you can potentially help keep those blood sugar spikes at bay and better manage your diabetes. Number 5. Boosting immunity. Let's not forget about the immune-boosting properties of clove water. This fragrant beverage is packed with essential vitamins and minerals that can give your immune system a much-needed boost. Cloves are an excellent source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in supporting your body's natural defenses. Additionally, clove water is rich in manganese, which is essential for maintaining a robust immune response. By drinking clove water regularly, you can help strengthen your body's ability to fend off infections, colds, and flu. Imagine feeling robust and energized even during those dreaded cold and flu seasons. Number 6. Oral health benefits. Did you know that clove water can also work wonders for your oral health? Cloves have been studied for their antibacterial properties, and some research suggests that a mouthwash containing clove extract can help fight plaque and bacteria in the mouth. By incorporating clove water into your oral hygiene routine, you can potentially help keep your teeth and gums healthy and fresh. Plus, the aromatic clove flavor can leave your mouth feeling clean and refreshed. Number 7. Bone health support. As we age, it becomes increasingly important to take steps to maintain strong and healthy bones. And guess what? Clove water can be a fantastic ally in this endeavor. Cloves are a rich source of manganese, a mineral that plays a crucial role in bone formation and maintenance. Additionally, the compounds found in cloves have been shown to help preserve bone mass, increase bone density, and promote overall bone strength. By sipping on clove water regularly, you can give your bones the support they need to stay sturdy and resilient, potentially reducing your risk of developing conditions like osteoporosis later in life. The incredible health benefits of clove water are truly remarkable. From reducing inflammation and boosting immunity to supporting liver health and regulating blood sugar, this unassuming beverage packs a powerful punch. So why not give clove water a try and experience its benefits for yourself? It's easy to make, delicious to drink, and can be a simple yet powerful addition to your daily routine.